Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I have the iPhone, or should I say, sorry, not the iPhone, the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra here, and I'll be showing you how to activate lost device protection. Now, of course, in case your device is stolen or lost, there are additional features that you definitely want to activate. When you activate these features, it will protect your device from being stolen, or in case they are stolen, to add that added layer of protection. So you want to enable these in case they are not. So in order to activate this, go to your settings. So go ahead and launch settings. Once you're in here, which is the main menu, you're going to scroll down. You're going to search for security and privacy. And of course, allow this to load. You're going to see a bunch of options. And you're going to see this option right here that says lost device protection. Go ahead and tap. Now, first thing, make sure that your device is, as an additional tip, that your device is on Find My Mobile, meaning that you'll be able to find your device in case it's lost or stolen. You can actually track it, all right? So it's similar to what's on the iPhone, where the device is able to be tracked. You can do this to all of your Samsung devices, all right? Now, the one that I'm showing you today is the one that's called theft protection, all right? And all of these theft protection features, they're here to protect you in case your device is lost or stolen, and to also protect your data, all right? So here mine is already on Find My, so I'm going to go to theft protection, and here it shows you what theft protection does. It checks your identity before changing sensitive settings, and locking the screen when your phone is stolen can prevent theft from or the thief, so I should say, from accessing your phone apps and data. So it says identity check requires biometrics and added security delay can prevent a thief from changing the sensitive settings. So one of the things they'll do when they take your device is to try to change certain key settings to actually protect your device. So make sure theft detection lock is on. That's the key one. So if it's off by default, go ahead and turn it on. And this one will lock the screen if detected that someone has taken your phone and run away. So if somebody grabs your phone and runs, the device will look out for that pattern of somebody grabbing your device. And as soon as it does, it will activate this. All right. You can also do an offline device lock, which basically locks the screen if your phone loses its network connection. There's fail authentication locks, which locks your phone screen after consecutive fail attempts. There's remote lock. If your phone is locked or stolen, you can also lock the screen by entering your phone number, and they give you the website, which you can actually go ahead and enter your device. The key one here is to activate theft detection lock. So mine is already on. And as I said before, this one locks the screen if it detects that someone has taken your phone. So if somebody goes ahead and steals, as you see, it verifies. So I can't even turn it off unless I verify. So go ahead and turn it on. Yours might be off. I've already turned mine off. So yours most likely is off. Then you can go back. And that's going to add a level of protection. So if you're using your phone one day and somebody grabs it and then starts to run, the device will detect that and lock itself, which is going to protect your device from somebody stealing your device. And the key in those situations where they steal your device while it's still on is that they want to be able to go in and then change settings while it's still active, and so steal your device. But of course, the device is now watching out for that, and that method will be closed to anybody trying to steal your device and to be useless to them. All right, so do turn that on. See you in the next one, guys. Bye.